What's up, beautiful people? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, we are going to be transforming again this wooden bed. As you can see, this is the before, this is how the bed look like, and I'm going to be transforming this bed into a modern and luxurious bed. So this is my client's home, and that is me. That is early in the morning. I arrived there and I'm going to be transforming this bed with you. So let's start this video. So the first thing I usually do is take the measurements so that I can know the measurements that I'm going to be using during this transformation video. As I told you in my previous video, these beds don't have the same measurements. That's why I usually don't give specific measurements for this transformation, because this is modification. There is no any specific measurements to use. So I usually just go on using the measurements that I get from the bed. So you just need to measure the height, also the width of the bed, and then start cutting the pieces of wood that you are going to be using to modify the bed. And these modifications ain't the same always. You find some you have to add some height, others you have to reduce the height, others you have to expand, others you have to cut, and others you don't have to cut. So it's a lot of ways to tackle this one. So for this one, after taking the measurements, I did some modification here. As you can see, I'm just showing you the modification that I did. And if you have been following my videos, you will notice that I usually modify these beds differently. It's rare when you get a bed that I modify the same as a previous one. So after doing the modification, I'm going to be nailing these pieces of wood, pieces of plywood on the frame, because you can see it has those gaps, and I need a flat surface that I can work with. And I'll be using a hammer for this one. And also I'm going to be using nails, 1-inch nails, not this one. I'm going to be showing you the nails that I'm going to be using. This one, 1-inch nails, to nail the plywoods onto the frame. Also, I'm going to be modifying this side for the legs. It's the lower side of the bed, and I'm also going to be covering those gaps using the same plywood, and I'm going to be showing you the results. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them, and commenting on them. Kindly consider subscribing to our channel if this is your first time clicking on our videos, and I first thank you for that. So kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So now you can see how the frame is looking. Now I have workable surfaces, and I'm going to be starting doing the rest. So even the lower side, you can see it's already covered. And the next thing that I'm going to be doing is putting this foam onto the frames. You can use a 2-inch foam, 3-inch, 4-inch, I mean according to your liking. But for me, I usually prefer using this 2-inch because I know how to work with it. And I'll be using this quick fix glue. It's contact adhesive glue, or contact glue if you will. I'm going to be using it on the foam, also on the frames, so that they can attach there very, very well. As you can see, I've already attached the foam onto the frames, and this is how the outlook looks. And then the other thing you're going to be doing is designing this foam according to the design that you want. As you can see, I've already cut the foam into the design my client wanted, which is channel bed. And I know it will make more sense if you continue watching the video, each and every step that I'm using. or every step that I'm applying here. So I've already cut the head that form according to the design, which is channel bed. The other thing that I'm going to be doing is now putting the fabric and designing the bed and the final touches. Anyway, make sure to like the video, kindly share with your friends and family, and I will really appreciate that. See you in my next videos.